हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ कुछ ऐसी जॉब्स जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू पाइथन डेवलपर एंड सीक्वल डेवलपर रोल। तो अगर आप इस फील्ड में ऑलरेडी वर्किंग हैं और यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ करियर एज अ फ्रेशर इन दिस डोमेन, देन डेफिनेटली यू कैन रेफर दिस वीडियो। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स अवेलेबल हैं, किस लोकेशन में अवेलेबल हैं, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सैलरी दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग, एक्सेट्रा। But उससे पहले let me introduce myself. My name is Harish Singh. I'm a blogger, a YouTuber and a job search consultant as well. And time to time आपको अपने वीडियो प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू, अपने इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू, अपने फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ। तो अगर आप भी इन फ्यूचर चाहते हैं लेटेस्ट जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस, देन डेफिनेटली यू कैन रेफर दिस वीडियो, यू कैन सब्सक्राइब टू दिस वीडियो, लाइक द वीडियो एंड शेयर द वीडियो। ऑल्सो यू कैन फॉलो मी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम पेज, माई फेसबुक पेज एज वेल। अब बढ़ते हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स अवेलेबल हैं। तो फ्रेंड्स, आगे हम अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और जैसा मैंने आपको बताया था कि आज जो जॉब्स मेरे पास अवेलेबल हैं, दीज आर फ्रॉम सीक्वल एंड पाइथन डेवलपर डोमेन। वीडियो स्टार्ट करें उससे पहले जस्ट वांटेड टू लेट यू नो अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज एट माय वेबसाइट वेयर यू कैन गेट लेटेस्ट जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस। ऑल्सो इफ यू आर लुकिंग जॉब इन डिफरेंट डोमेन, देन यू कैन सबमिट योर जॉब एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म by visiting my website, that is www.callcentertalks.com. Now let's start the topic of jobs availabilities for today. So the first company name is GLOBANT, which is in Bangalore. They are hiring for senior SQL database developer. Experience is 5 to 8 years. Salary they are offering is 7 lakhs per annum to 12 lakhs per annum. And education is bachelor's degree in computer science or related required field. Now let's look into the primary responsibilities they are looking for. The first one is analyzing business requirements and creating business requirement document, design solutions, create a detailed technical design document for the solution, perform data inputs, uploads, and migration, ensuring consistency and accuracy of data, and assist in formulating test plans and coordinate perform testing requirement qualification. So if you have experience of any of these responsibilities, then definitely you can apply for this job post. But before that, let's look into the required skills they are looking for. So the person should have expertise in data visualization and dashboard. So for data visualization, we use Data Studio, Power BI, and Tableau. Then hands-on experience in SQL and advanced SQL, data analytics, Excel sheets, that is optional, BigQuery, that is optional, ETL, that is also optional. So if you want to apply for the job post, then definitely you can visit the link which is given here. And this link I have already pasted in the description box, so you can check out from there as well. Now let's look into the second job, which is for the company name MYNTRA, and we all know that this is an e-commerce portal. They are hiring for the Python developer role and a data analyst role. Experience 1.5 years. Location is in Bangalore. Salary is 6 lakhs per annum to 8 lakhs per annum. E skills, statistics, maths skills, MS Excel, Python, SQL, or R language, and Power BI would be an optional advantage for you. Education is engineering degree from an accredited university or college. And roles and responsibilities, what they are looking for is monitor key metrics such as revenue, gross margin, item price, building templates, dashboard in Excel, Google Sheet, Power BI, then analyzing platform and category level metrics to isolate problems, strengthen, develop and implement strong reporting formats which gives a 360-degree view, and statisticals and analytical models and methods for data analysis. Now, the technical skills they are looking for is SQL exposure is a must. So if you're applying for the job post, make sure you have the SQL proficiency. Then other is high competency in written and verbal communication skills, able to work with others in a fast-paced team environment, result-oriented with excellent communication and interpersonal skills. Can work individually with minimal or no supervision. How to apply? Again, I have pasted this link in the description box as well. Do not get confused with the previous one. So these two are different links. So you can directly land to the career page of MYNTRA and you can submit your job application form. The third company name is Talent Basket, which is a big human resource recruiting agency. So what they are hiring right now is Python lead, and this is an opportunity for those person who are looking for work from home model. And if you have experience of 10 plus years, then definitely you can apply for the job post. Education is bachelor's degree in computer science. Salary is 23 lakhs per annum, up to 23 lakhs per annum. This is the salary package, and it depends on your last one as well. Now, roles and responsibilities, if you look into it, data gathering and preparation, proficiently execute data extraction, transformation, and loading from diverse sources into Power BI, employ data cleansing, organization, formatting techniques to prepare data analysis, then dashboards and report development, skillfully design and construct interactive reports and dashboards. Now, the technical skills they are looking for is, first of all, as I mentioned earlier, that they are hiring for those candidates who have experience, who have the bachelor's degree in data science, business analytics, and computer science. Demonstrated expertise in data analysis and visualization with a proven track record of utilizing Power BI effectively, strong proficiency in SQL for data manipulation, exceptional data storytelling and communication skills, familiarity with data warehouse concepts and data modeling, knowledge of programming language such as Python or R is a valuable asset, then ability to excel both independently and as an integral part of the collaborative team. It means you'll have to collaborate with different departments to gather the data to for a team meeting you need to present your data, so you should be good in storytelling apart from these technical skills of SQL and Power BI. Now if you want to apply for the job post, you can simply share your CV on below number, or you can directly connect to this number for other details. The fourth job is for those candidates who are looking as an internship program. So this company is in Gurgaon. Name is Brimming Grace Capital Limited. So they are hiring for currently Python developer intern experience. It means if you are a fresher, you have just passed out the course, then definitely you can apply for it. Location is in Gurgaon and salary is 2 lakhs per annum. What they are offering. Roles and responsibilities: write effective, scalable code, develop cloud based Python, Django software products, develop backend components to improve responsive and overall performance, test and debug programs, participate in architectural design and product discussions, assess and prioritize feature requests, coordination with internal teams to understand user requirements and provide technical solution. Now, as a Python developer, you should know about Python. You should be expert in Python with knowledge of Django web framework, familiarity with some ORM, working knowledge of MongoDB, SQL and MySQL, work with Django application deployment on AWS, Heroku, GCP, Docker platforms, right? And if you want to apply for the job post, you can simply fill out this form. This form is also available in my description box. You can directly click on this link, and you can directly visit to this form application where you need to submit your details. And before applying for the job post, just read all the job description and all the instructions they have given, please carefully. So guys, these are four jobs right now for Python and SQL developer. So if you have the experience, if you are a fresher, or if you have moderate experience, then all the jobs are available here. You can just apply it over there. And if you are specifically looking for any specific domain, then you can definitely mail me, or as I said, you can visit to my this website, which is www.callcentertalks.com, where you can submit your form along with your resume and key skills so that I can review it and can share with you the available jobs in your specific domain. That's it for in today's video. Thanks for watching, guys.